friends, in this video I am going to discuss one of the case study of related to the account error. So the first account that I have, it's showing the account error and there is no other sign on this one. While the other account that I have, it's also showing the account error, but it has the red sign like your ads are not delivering because we couldn't process your last payment. Contact your payment provider and try paying again. And here you can see the pay now option. So what is the difference between these? First of all, if we discuss this one, so in this case the last payment that Facebook basically tried to charge, so it was not completed successfully, and that's why it's the error is showing here and our campaigns are stopped and it's showing the account error. If I go to the billing and payments option, so it will ask the previous payment was failed and I need to pay that again. So here you can see it was failed, while the other one that is not showing any red error but only the account error. Here I'll go to the billing and payments option, so the my previous payment was successfully charged, so there is no current balance. Here I need to go to payment setting, and from this payment settings here you can see I have the like remaining amount of this account spending limit is 0. So what that means I set the account spending limit 960. So whenever it will go to or it will spend $960, so I need to manually reset it again, so my campaign will be live again. So I need to simply click on reset button and this limit basically reset and my campaign started running again. So this is basically the difference between these two type of the account errors.